Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful feature in Outlook: flagging emails. Whether you're managing a busy inbox or ensuring important messages don't slip through the cracks, flagging emails is an excellent way to stay organized. Let's walk through the steps for flagging an email in Outlook on your PC using the latest update. First, open Outlook in your browser. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to your inbox, the central hub where all your emails are stored. Now, locate the email you want to flag. This could be an important message that requires follow-up or one you want to keep handy for quick access later. Hover your mouse over the email you've chosen. As you do this, you'll notice several icons appear on the right-hand side of the email preview. Among these icons, look for the flag symbol. It's typically small and easy to spot. Click on this flag icon. Instantly, the email will be marked with a red flag, indicating it's flagged for follow-up or prioritization. This visual cue makes it easier to identify flagged emails at a glance within your inbox. Flagging an email doesn't just help with organization, it also integrates with tools like Microsoft To Do or Outlook Tasks, creating a task reminder for the flagged message. This ensures you won't forget to take action when needed. If at any point you decide the email no longer needs attention, simply click on the red flag again to unflag it. The flag will disappear, and the email will return to its normal state. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can efficiently prioritize your emails and keep your inbox under control. Flagging emails is a small step that makes a big difference in managing your workflow effectively. Thank you for tuning in. Now go ahead and give this feature a try. It's quick, easy, and incredibly useful for staying on top of your tasks in Outlook.